In styles today, halters have become really stylish. Halter jumpsuits, halter tops, just all kinds of halters. And many of the patterns I have heard do not have any kind of support inside. So we want a little support. We'll feel much more comfortable if we have that little support. So let's look at how to do this. And we're going to make a little insert. We're going to make a little bra insert for the inside. So here's my front of my halter. We have a halter at Silhouette Patterns, and it has a bra inclusive of it and shows you how to do this. But if you're using another pattern, this is a great way to do it. All you're going to do is trace the neck edge, trace the armhole, and trace down. And I would go down about 8 inches. How far it goes down is completely up to you, but you want it to just go down clear enough to where around your rib cage is firm and tight. You're going to do that in both the front and the back. So very simple to do. Then what you're going to do, and I would strongly recommend you'd use 2-inch wide elastic because it's so comfortable is the main reason. As you go narrower, it's going to have a tendency to cut in and bind. So this wide is really comfortable. So I'm going to wrap the elastic around my rib cage and pull it until it's firm. Not tight at all. It doesn't need to be tight, but just pull it until it's firm. And then I'm simply going to do the side seams. Divide the elastic in force, divide the little halter in force, and I'm going to stretch the elastic. Your elastic is going to be smaller than your fabric, and this fabric is going to be the same as your fashion fabric. So here's my little halter, and here's my little bra cup inside, and you can see in this case it's all the same fabric, and you would want it to because you really can't see on the side what is fashion fabric and what is not. So it's all going to be the same. I'm going to do it. And then it's great if you even make a little cover over it that corresponds and matches. But again, let's go back to the sewing for just a minute. I'm just going to pull this out until it is tight, and then I'm just going to stitch it. So if you divide it in quarters, your gathers will be evenly spaced. Also, if you notice, you're sewing the elastic to where the right side is under the elastic. The right side of this little halter unit is what will be against your body because the wrong sides of the halter, the bra will be to the wrong side of the top. So that means the inside of this is what's going to be against your body, and you'll find it to be more comfortable if that edge of the elastic is against you rather than this inside and all this rough stitching. So just a tip to put the wrong side, the elastic goes on the outside, and the wrong side is going to go away from your body. That's the best way and easiest way to do it. And I'm going to tell you, if you're a halter wearer, and I am, and I don't wear halters by themselves, but I love little tops over them. I just think they're the cutest summery look. It makes a big difference whether that fabric's on the outside or the inside.